Hello, lovers. Welcome back to my channel. We are making lime deodorant. Yes, I say lime deodorant. When my daughter told me about this, I was like, She said she saw it on TikTok and she been using it. And she works out a lot and she sweats a lot. And when she said it's good, trust me. So I've been using this for the past 3 months and it's really good. I make my own deodorant anyway. I haven't used store-bought deodorant over 3 years. So I started using it. Boy, you're gonna love it. I will advise and encourage people that lives in a hot region to try this. The only thing is that you have to keep it in a refrigerator to avoid a bacterial growth in it. So and also please I sell on Etsy. If you or you know people that have store that want to carry our products, please let us know. We have varieties of stuff. This is our black soap, whipped black soap. Christmas is fast approaching. Our Christmas products are available on our Etsy shop. I will put the link on the information box on how you can get our products, or if you want to ask more about how to carry our products. We have a body lotion, body shower lotion, body lotion, and some of us with crocodile skin, shea butter, cocoa butter. It's getting cold, so we need our butter. And people with acne, everything is available. Just inbox me, let me know. And lime is really cheap now. I bought this like a 10 for $1 when it's on sale at Juice. So it's really cheap. And I said that I make my own deodorant anyway. I haven't used a store-bought deodorant in a while. So I have container to store it. When I first started, I don't even, not that I don't have it, but I didn't think of using it that way. So now I will show you if you don't have a container like that to store yours. So I'm just going to squeeze it out. If you don't have the container to use like that, you can just use your hand to squeeze it out. So this is it right here. If you don't have it, you can just slice it and apply it on your armpit. The only thing is that we advise is that do not leave it out. You don't want the bacteria to grow in it, and it's not going to be good. Now, I'm not saying you should use this. I'm not a doctor. I'm not prescribe anything. If you are on prescribed medication, please let your doctor know before you start on anything that you see on social media. So I'm just going to squeeze everything out just like that. And after that, I'm just going to strain it and put it in a container. If you don't have the container, that's fine. That is how I started mine. I just rub it and I'll say, well, let me try this way. So, and since then I've been putting it in a roll-on container just like that. And this is it, because there's a lot of bump in there. That's why I strain it, so that we don't want all that on your armpit. And after that, I'm just going to put it in a roll-on container. If you want, you can buy. It's available on Amazon or anywhere that you get your product. It depends on what part of the world you are. Yeah, roll-on container like that. It's much easier. And I'll make two just to make sure that I will make it again and again. It's very easy, quick to make. It's not going to take you more than 5 minutes to make. And the only thing that please put in a refrigerator, do not leave it out. And this is it. We are ready. Our deodorants, lime deodorant is ready. And please don't forget to visit our online store. And I want to say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I will see you guys on the next video. May the Lord Jesus Christ continue to bless us all. Love you.